Hey everyone, it's Monica. Welcome back to Because Jesus Bible Journaling, and welcome back to 5 days of giveaways celebrating 5,000 subscribers here on my channel. This giveaway is open locally and internationally with a twist. Stay tuned to find out how to enter. Once again, here are the 5 books I was sent on the topic of Bible journaling. I was asked to review these books here on my YouTube channel, and an extra copy of each was generously provided to me to give away as well. If you're a US subscriber, one of these books could be yours. If you're entering internationally, I'm happy to send you your choice of 2 sets of my own digital Bible journaling templates from my Etsy store. I'm excited to be able to include my international supporters in this giveaway. So in today's video, I'm featuring the Art of Bible Journaling book. Now this book is not the same size as the other 4 books I'm giving away. This one is, I believe, over 150 pages long. All kinds of tips about getting started, how to fix mistakes, what materials you might like. And then there's this whole section on techniques and projects. And this woman is incredible. She has included step-by-step projects with pictures, with directions that you can complete, and you can either use those to create a page of your own or one absolutely identical to hers. And then similar to the other books, she's also included some art in the back, a really fun colored piece of vellum, a stencil, some stickers, some punch-out art, some Bible book tabs. Everything is in here that you could possibly want. And so for today, I'm going to be sharing this book with you and creating a tip-in using this vellum piece of paper. So I decided to go ahead and use this cursive kind of word art where it says trust. And when I think of trust, I often think of Matthew 6:33, where it talks about not worrying about God, that he's going to take care of us, not worrying about tomorrow or the concerns that it could bring, not worrying about what we'll wear or eat or drink or anything like that, but just trusting in the Lord. So as you can see, this is a very simple way to create a tip-in or a tip-out just using a piece of washi tape. Now this washi tape is awesome. It's sort of like masking tape, but thinner and more fun because it comes in patterns. And then for the next steps, I'm going to be using that stencil that comes attached to the back cover of the book. You're meant to just go ahead and cut it apart and use it, and that's exactly what I'm doing to draw some extra attention to those verses. As I continue to work, I do want to share with you how to enter this giveaway. 1, subscribe to my channel. 2, join my Facebook group. 3, like this video by giving it a thumbs up. 4, leave just 1 comment on this video saying what your Facebook name is and whether you are entering in the contiguous 48 states or internationally. Simple as that. I'll pick 1 US and 1 international winner for each of the 5 giveaways. All winners will be announced on February 14th, and I will contact them shortly after. If you're a US winner, you will win the book showcased in the corresponding giveaway. If you're an international winner, I will email you your choice of 2 sets of my own digital Bible journaling templates from my Etsy store. All links are below, as well as a written copy of these guidelines as well. Hope that is helpful. So as you can see, I've just done some embellishment here using my Faber-Castell Pitt Artist pens, the brush tip, also the liner pens, to just kind of write some notes down. And those crosses down there, they really symbolize for me that, of course, I can trust Jesus. He laid his life down for me. Is he not going to give me good things? Is he not going to provide my needs? I'm trusting in him. So this is a really, really simple page. It's just highlighting the verses, adding this tip in, but it's valuable time that has been spent with the Lord. Would you do me a huge favor? Jump into the Word of God for yourself today. It is amazing. Share what you're creating over in our Facebook group. Visit my Etsy store. That's where I sell my templates that I create. And I also sometimes have been known to give them away as freebies in my Facebook group. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Thank you again so much to all of you for supporting this channel, supporting my ministry. I really mean it when I say God bless you. May he just shower his love on you today. Bye-bye.